Why do we all seek security in our life? It's simple. When we feel secure, we gain confidence to pursue our true goals and dreams. This sense of safety becomes the foundation for taking bold steps toward a brighter future. Today, let's uncover how debentures can be a wise tool to help you navigate your financial journey effectively. What exactly is a debenture? The term debenture comes from the Latin word debere, meaning to borrow. In simple terms, a debenture is a loan certificate that confirms the borrower owes a debt to the lender. Types of debentures you should know. Based on convertibility, there are two types. One is convertible debentures and another one is non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures can be converted into the shares of a company in the future, but non-convertible debentures cannot be converted into the shares. However, it offers higher fixed rate of interest. Based on redemptions, there are two types. One is redeemable debentures and another one is irredeemable debentures. In redeemable debentures, the capital can be redeemed after a fixed tenure. In irredeemable debentures, the capital cannot be redeemed at any point of time. Based on security, there are two options. One is secured debenture and another one is unsecured debenture. Secured debenture is the safest option because it is backed by assets. Unsecured debentures is the riskiest option because it is not backed by any assets. Why you should choose secured non-convertible redeemable debentures? Because your capital is protected with collateral, you earn steady monthly interest at a fixed rate, you can reclaim your capital when the term ends. So, secure your future with confidence. Start exploring the world of debentures and discover the best way to grow your wealth wisely.